Hello everyone, welcome to this introductory video for the Mathematical Proofs lectures. So, in this introductory video, I'm just going to look at what is a proof. Well, a mathematical proof is a statement that uses facts and logical steps to establish the truth of a mathematical theorem or proposition. So, a textbook reference for this lecture series is Mathematical Proofs, a transition to advanced mathematics, the fourth edition. And the ISBN number is 97801346753. So this is just a textbook reference if you are interested in purchasing this textbook or just having it to read or to add to your library if you want to have more information about these lecture series. So I'll just go over real quick the topics that will be covered, give some summary titles of what they'll be. So of course, there's fundamentals, which is sets and logic. Then you have proof techniques. And then we will look at applications of proofs. So there will be different sections about each topic that will be discussed, and these are just some summary titles that describe the things that will be discussed. So for each section, the video will be split up into parts on the content that's covered, and then after the material is covered, some example problems will be worked for each chapter or for each section that we go through. For each section, chapter, basically the same thing. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoy these videos. Thank you so much for choosing to watch them, and I hope that these videos can bless you and benefit you for whatever your reason is for watching these, whether you just want to learn proofs, whether you're wanting to go back and restudy them, or whether you're taking a course right now and just want the extra help. So, yeah, thank you all for watching and hope you enjoyed the series.